Hello everyone, welcome to SUNY Group. Now we are loading in Zhengzhou city of China. This is the domestic market in China, and another side is our workshop. Next time, let's to see one by one and make the details introduce about our factory and machine and wet webs machinery. So let's go. Okay, thanks so much for your watching. The time always is quicker. Today we introduced the different machines model, mainly for the 5 to 30 pieces one bag, the smaller wet webs machine, and for the baby wet webs machine. For the different models, 6 lines, 12 lines, and 20 rows, we both had the details introduced. If you interested in our machine, please leave your email and number to my colleague. Then our sales will be connected with you.